Hey, what's up, fitness fam? Today I'm diving into one of the biggest debates in the fitness world. Free weights versus bodyweight exercises, which one is better, and which one should you be doing? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about free weights. We're talking dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, you know the drill. Free weights are amazing for building muscle mass and strength. They offer a ton of versatility, letting you target specific muscle groups with precision. Think about your bicep curls, bench presses, or squats. Plus, you can easily adjust the weight to match your progression. That's a huge advantage, especially if you're looking to build some serious gains. But here's the kicker. Free weights require proper form and technique. Without that, you risk injury. So if you're new to lifting, definitely consider working with a trainer to get the basics down. And of course, you need access to equipment which might not be available to everyone. Now let's switch gears to bodyweight exercises. Think push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks. Bodyweight exercises are all about using your own body as resistance. They're super accessible, you can do them anywhere, anytime. No gym, no problem. Bodyweight exercises are fantastic for improving functional strength and stability. They're also great for boosting endurance and flexibility. And because you're engaging multiple muscle groups at once, you get a killer cardio workout too. Perfect for those looking to burn fat and build lean muscle. However, one downside is that it can be challenging to progressively overload your muscles with body weight alone. You might hit a plateau if you're not creative with your routines. Variations and increased repetitions can help, but it can be limiting compared to the easily adjustable free weights. So, which one is the ultimate winner? Honestly, it depends on your goals and circumstances. Want to pack on muscle and have access to equipment? Free weights might be your go-to. Looking for convenience, functional strength, and a full-body workout? Bodyweight exercises have got you covered. Why not combine the best of both worlds? Incorporate free weights for strength and muscle gains, and bodyweight exercises for endurance and flexibility. This hybrid approach can give you a well-rounded fitness routine and keep things exciting. Remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with. So whether you're lifting heavy or using your own body, keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and have fun with it. That's all for today, folks. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you prefer. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. See you next time.